Primetime News, brought to you by...
Say yes to the new onion ring zinger from KFC. It's finger-licking...
Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, with global oil prices pushing up the cost of living, the opposition PNP is calling for transparency in local fuel prices as well as plans to upgrade Petrojam.
Opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell raised the issue at the PNP's recent annual conference of the Springfield Division.
$4.50, a familiar cost signaling the weekly increase in gas prices announced by Petrojam.
Every Thursday, you see the price of fuel going up and up and up.
On Thursday, March 5 days after the U.S. and Israel began to wage war on Iran, Petrojam was selling a liter of 87 gasoline for $154.38. Last week, on Thursday, May 21, it was being sold for $194.38. That means in roughly 12 weeks, Jamaicans have paid roughly $40 more for a liter of petrol. Take a minute to process that.
Initially, the minister said that they had put a ceiling on the increases and that he's going to move the ceiling. But I'm wondering when the price increase will reach the point where it doesn't represent a burden on the government, and whether or not we haven't reached that point where the government isn't trying to recoup and to make profit on the misfortune that this world is facing with the price of oil skyrocketing.
Energy Minister Darrell Vaz indicated in April that the $4.50 fuel price cap would be removed. He said it would be replaced with a three-tiered system to align Petrojam price increases to global movements. Between March 12 and April 8, Minister Vaz said Petrojam absorbed $1.4 billion in fuel price increases. That means the full increase was not passed on to consumers. Opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell has taken note.
The government has failed Petrojam by not ensuring that some of the plans that we had to upgrade the refinery, to make it more efficient, to expand the refinery, so that we can produce more of the things that we need. All of those plans were in place, and the government has failed to implement them, and that's the reason why, because of imports, Petrojam has lost so much money. And the minister had a chance in Parliament recently to come and tell the country what they would have been doing about Petrojam, and he failed. He talked about investing $15 million US in Petrojam. It requires a lot more than that.
Minister Paulwell reiterated the importance of Petrojam to Jamaica's energy security, but also took issue with ongoing losses.
And I'm hoping that the government isn't going to try to use this opportunity, nor that the refinery, I made it known over the last 2 years, in 2023 to 24, the refinery lost $4 billion Jamaican dollars. Last year, it lost another $4 billion. And this year, without the Iran crisis, was going to lose money again. And this has nothing to do with any world oil crisis. It has to do with an inefficient government that has mismanaged Petrojam.